So this video is a little different than some of the other ones that we've made. It's not every day I get a chance to film some content here at my house. I've got my father-in-law, I've got some family coming over. And this bench here had no cushion, had nothing at all. So we took a little time to make a cushion. And I just wanted to show you guys what goes into what we do, I guess, before we install it at someone's house. So first things first, you just gotta take some industrial all-purpose cleaner and you wipe down a lot of the surfaces on your chair. The last thing you want to do is put some beautiful light colored fabric on your furniture, and just due to the weather, it gets crappy looking. Every day we see people throw out their furniture, not because it's broken, but because they don't have any cushions to go with it. People forget is you can get them custom made. You can have it made fitted to your furniture. In this case, it's just a bench. Once you have it done, you'll realize that it goes a long way. What we do isn't necessarily found at Raymore & Flanigan. I have yet to find any big box service that makes cushions in the way that we do. I wanted it plump. I wanted a certain fabric. I wanted it to have a certain look. And often than not, you're really paying for fabric. You're paying for good fabric, but I wouldn't say that you're paying for the foam because a lot of people don't know about it. Crate and Barrel's got great looks, but I don't know about their foam. I don't think anybody does. They're not allowed to tell you, and the average person doesn't really know what they're looking at. But I think we're different because we have the foam at the store in which you can come feel, and a lot of people, they'll go back and forth on orders. So whether it's too firm or too soft, at least we have the options. Let me go get those cushions. I think you're gonna love this. I wanted a certain plump look to these, and I think we did a great job. And here we go. When it comes to a cushion like this, I love zippers that go around the edge, because for those of you who have taken cushion inserts outside of the bag, you'll know that zippers usually go from here to about here. And it's the worst. You probably would rip your cushion before even getting out the insert. So we like to put the zipper from this part here all around the edge until we round this corner over here. Very important because it's that much easier to take off. So we roll it off like a sock. So we work with great distributors that make us the foam, and it's very easy to access. So make sure your cushions are washable because accidents happen. This one is very plump, just as I like. Come on, let's install it. Now look at that. Big difference than what you'd find at your friend's barbecue. Much more firm. I'd like to think if it's too soft, then you get someone over 150 and that thing's gonna flatten out like a pancake. That's not what you're looking for. Next, let's get the back cushions. Unlike most cushions, this has a rounded edge so that it doesn't just look like a rectangle. It kind of looks couch-like. So it's curved here, slopes to the bottom, goes around, rounded at the top, flat on this side. So I'm gonna put this one on the left. The other one's the opposite. Check it out. Whoa, not bad. Perfect if you're trying to make an impression for your mother-in-law, father-in-law. Perfect. In terms of feel, it's tough to tell. I weigh about 175 on a good day, but you'll notice that this cushion does not sink in. Let me sit even on the edge. It's not supposed to sink in too much. There's a firmness to it, and I like that. I really want you guys to know that a firm cushion is a better cushion in most cases. Now, if you're talking about a baby's pillow, not really the case. But when you're talking about outdoor furniture, most furniture, bar stools, booths, couches, chairs, you name it, firm tends to be better because most people have their weight that's gonna really wear into it anyways. It's gonna have some give, but you don't start off too soft because then you'll have the frame to feel in about a year. So guys, take a peek. Not too bad. I think it turned out very well. The same could be done for yours. We make sure that it's snug to the very edge, and therefore it's not looking loose or looking like I bought it from China. It's very much snug, and that's the way it should be. I'm not gonna leave this out in the rain. Although this is all-weather fabric, the piping fabric as well is for all weather, but God, no, I'm not leaving this outside. God forbid a deer or a bear might take a duty on it. or the rain might attack it, but perfect for these summer days. And I hope you guys like it. This is not customers, belongs to me. And I just wanted to share with you that I love how they turned out. The wife picked out the piping, I picked out the fabric, and together, I think we make a good team. All right, I'll see you guys later.